Welcome to the Golden Grove, where the peaches are sweet, juicy, and definitely not for sharing.
This is Jojo. He is the self-appointed guardian of the galaxy. Well, guardian of the peaches.
Look at him! He's still guarding that hole! I can't breathe, this is too funny. Best heist ever! Oh, wow! Ugh.
While the little guy plays in the mud, the big boss takes the high road. Easy pickings up here.
Yoink! Thanks for the snacks, kiddo. Being a master thief is hard work. Gotta keep the energy up.
It's been 3 hours. Did the bandit get lost? Or is my trap just too good? Wait a second. What if a bandit comes to steal my precious treasures? I need a master plan, pronto! Operation Monkey Trap is a go! Dig, Jojo, dig! Nobody is getting past this hole of doom.
A little green here, a little leaf there. It's the perfect invisible trap. Now, we wait for the victim.
Operation Peach Snatch is a go. Shh, nobody saw me. Oof, who put this ground here? I was just inspecting the soil.
Hey! You there with the stripes! Step away from the peaches!
So juicy. Did I hear a squeak? Probably just the wind.
Oh, now I am mad! Nobody ignores the guardian of the grove! To the barn! I have a plan that involves a lot of rope!
A loop here, a knot there. This trap is gonna be bananas.
Perfect! That big guy is in for a surprise.
Ugh, maybe 50 peaches was too many. I need a nap right now.
Whoa! Hey! This isn't a hammock! Someone get me down!
Hello, officer. I caught the giant peach thief.
Hold on, little buddy. The law is on the way.
Good work, Deputy Monkey. The orchard is safe now.
Finally, I can harvest my peaches in peace. Wow, this is a heavy haul today. Time to take these sweet treasures to the kitchen.
Slice and dice. These look super juicy.
Squeeze every last drop of goodness. Steady now. Ooh, look at that golden color. Tastes like sweet victory. Rise and shine. Time to wake up and get those bananas. Wait, I mean mangoes.
Up we go! This beast is a lot bigger than my tricycle, but I got this. Vroom, vroom! Full speed ahead! Next stop, the mango orchard!
Jackpot! Look at these golden beauties. They look absolutely delicious.
Quality control check. Yup, smells like sweet victory.
Oof! Heavy lifting is my cardio for the day. Almost there. Hauling the harvest like a pro. Nothing can stop me now.
Whoa! Mud bath incoming! Hold on tight, this is gonna get messy!
Hello? Boss? I have a tiny, huge problem. Don't be mad.
Panda Rescue Service speaking. You are stuck where? I am on my way.
Yes, I am right here by the big mango tree. Please send help fast.
Don't worry, little buddy. The heavy machinery has arrived to save the day.
Job done! Now, where is my banana smoothie reward?
I will cut some wood to fix the road. Let's get to work.
Oh no! I am stuck! Come on, big wheel, get out of the mud!
Whoa! Hold on tight, it is getting a little slippery here.
What a beautiful day to harvest mangoes. La la la. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Gotta keep it squeaky clean before we cook. Pouring the grains. Let's get this sticky rice party started.
Slice and dice. Making these mango pieces look super fancy.
Stirring it up nice and fluffy. It smells like success in here.
Wow, look at that presentation. I am basically a food artist.
Behold, the golden mango sticky rice. It is literally glowing with flavor.
Finally, the best part. Time to dig in. Bon appetit, everyone!
Rise and shine. It is time to start a brand new delicious day.
Let's open up the garage and get the big wheels moving.
Cruising through the farm on a mission to find the best ingredients.
Time to find the juiciest snack in the whole jungle.
Gotcha! You are coming home with me, Mr. Pier.
Oh, bananas! I dropped the big one! Where did it go?
And just like that, lunch is rolling away.
I know you are hiding somewhere. Come out, come out.
It vanished into thin air. Is this orchard magic? Don't worry, I have brought the heavy machinery now.
Going down. Please keep your hands and feet inside the bucket.
Wait a minute, pears don't have ears. Who are you?
All right, time to start the day. Let's fire up this big red beast.
Whoa! Look at all these giant machines. They are super cool.
Full speed ahead. I have an important mission to do. Vroom, vroom.
Okay, pull this lever back and scoop. Digging is hard work, but I'm strong. Steady, steady. I have to be very precise to lower the hook right there.
Don't look down, little kitty. I'm lifting you to safety.
I got you. You are safe now. That was a scary fall, wasn't it? Let me take a look at you. You're a little dirty, but you seem okay.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. Let's wash all that dirt away with some bubbly soap.
You look so funny when you're all wet. Now you're clean and fresh. Rise and shine, little buddy. Let's get you dry and fluffy. No more wet fur for you.
Step 2, breakfast time. Gotta slice these up nicely for a power snack.
Look at that color. The Super Energy Green Machine is ready to serve.
Ah, refreshing. You watching me? Don't worry, I saved some for you too.
Hey guys! If you love snacks as much as we do, smash that like button and subscribe.
Wait a minute. What is this? It looks like a secret tunnel leading to somewhere cool. I'm late for work. Gotta sprint to the barn before the boss finds out.
Welcome to the headquarters. Look at these beasts, shiny and ready for a big day.
All right, Captain on deck. Let's fire this engine up and get moving.
Big gear engaged. Time to lift some heavy stuff. Let's get to work, team.
Uh-oh. I don't think that is a rock. Nice teeth, buddy.
Whew, I think I lost him. That was too close for comfort. Must go faster. Why is he so fast on land? Help!
All right, time to load up the special delivery. Backing up.
I need a plan. A genius plan. Let's design a super cage.
Safety first. Sparks are flying, baby. Making it strong as steel. Voila! The ultimate trap is ready. It is a masterpiece.
Heavy lifting engaged. Let's go catch a crocodile. Steady! Steady! Operation Big Snap is officially a go.
A little snack for the guest of honor. He won't be able to resist this buffet.
Shh. Be very, very quiet. I think I see bubbles.
And here comes the hungry customer, sniffing out the free lunch special.
Gotcha. Checkmate, buddy. No dessert for you. Who's the genius now? Me! That's who! Enjoy your new apartment!
Mission accomplished. Paperwork done. Now, who wants bamboo tea?
All right, let's get this big guy loaded up safely. Heavy lifting time.
La la la! Just another lovely day for a pickup. Hope the package is ready.
Easy does it, big guy. Next stop, the Luxury Swamp Resort.
And we are off. Try not to bite the bumps. I really dig this job. Get it? Dig? Huh.
Are you ripe yet?
You look like you need a few more days.
Oof! Why are bananas so heavy? I need a workout partner.
Gentle, gentle.
You can gentle. Do not bruise the merchandise.
Whoa!
Look at that harvest! I am the Mango Master!
Oh no. Buddy, are you okay? I told you to watch out for the nail.
All right, time to call for backup. Up we go!
Hold on! The doctor is on the way! Emergency incoming!
Almost. Got it. Just a little more.
Whoa there! I'm helping, not hurting. Chill out, buddy.
Being a hero is exhausted. Do I get a banana break now?
Ouch. Someone call the ambulance. Or a monkey with pliers.
Look at this monster! You stepped on a giant spike!
Let's see. Snacks?
No,
Toys?
no.
Aha! The bandages.
Wrap it tight, make it right. You'll be dancing in no time.
There's a good boy. All fixed up and ready to go.
My work here is done. Off to the next adventure. Bye-bye. Time for Plan B. Let's fire up the heavy machinery.
Hang in there, Bessie. The rescue team has arrived.
Don't worry, this belt is fashionable and functional. Just hold your breath.
Going up. Enjoy the flight. First class service to the barn.
Just doing a quick post-flight inspection. Everything looks perfect.
Here is your reward for being brave. Bottoms up, partner.
Safe and sound. I told you I am a professional driver.
Off to work we go.
Looks like a flat tire. Or a flat engine.
Whoops! Okay, maybe that can stop me. Major malfunction.
Code Red! Code Red! Where is the instruction manual? Okay, Red Bottle, you are my only friend.
Take that, you hot-headed machine! Cool down! I said FREs!
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Or was it lefty lucky?
What a lovely day for a ride. Wait, is that a cloud following me? Okay, don't panic. Maybe it just needs a little pat on the head? Or maybe it's sleepy?
Panda Rescue Service speaking. You did
What? A barbecue on the tractor. I'm on my way.
Finally! I hope they brought pizza, oh, and tools, but mostly pizza. Well, looks like you really cooked it this time. It's crispy. Good thing I brought the tow chains.
Have no fear! The Panda Mechanic is here! Who ordered the heavy lifting?
And off we go. Next time, let's just take the tricycle, okay? Much safer.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. Gotta make it shine like new. It's getting hot in here. Fixing the frame.
Hey, boss, is this thing gonna run again?
Trust me, I'm a professional.
Welcome to the Panda Garage. Let's get to work.
Woohoo! It works perfectly. See you later, alligator.